We are in the middle of Kampala, the capital city of Uganda. We all know Uganda is the food source in East Africa. Bagenda kaya na. In this video, we're going to look at Nyama Choma. We all know when Nyama Choma comes to your mind, you think about Kenya, Tanzania. Uganda comes in third or fourth, but we all know Nyama Choma, it is either grilled or roasted. So in this video, we're going to meet one of the places, one of the famous places in the middle of Kampala city where they do Nyama Choma. So we're going to check out their recipe, what they do, and at the end of the video, you know what we do? We taste. So let's go meet one of the guys and see what they can offer to us. Let's go. I almost forgot to introduce myself. If this is your first time to be here with us, call me Nicholas, and this is Eating the African Way. We are going to meet Mr. Gaddafi from Bangladesh. He's going to introduce himself and take us through the video. So keep watching, don't go anywhere. He's going to share all the information you want to know from this place and also from him. His number will be in the description box of this very video. So keep watching until the end. Don't go anywhere. So we're going to do this video together. We're going to do Kasavu Kanyama. So can you introduce yourself to our viewers? Tell them who you are, where you are, what you do as we go into the video.
Hi, I'm Nyama Gaddafi from Bwaise to Kampala. I operate my business on William Street, Kampala, around the top pub, William Street. So anybody who is interested should come for my muchomo. I have a very tasty muchomo, which is 100% natural.
Natural.
No insult, no whatever.
No ingredients.
Yeah.
No marination. You know, I was in Kenya. Those guys make the best Nyama Choma I've ever seen in this world. I tasted it once and I felt like... Okay, let us leave that because someone behind the camera is distracting us. But we're going to test this and see the difference. But how would you rate Kenyan Nyama Choma and Ugandan Nyama Choma? Because you have been in this business for quite some time. So how would you rate it?
I can't rate because I've never gone to Kenya.
You've never gone to Kenya?
Yeah, but according to me, mine is the best. I haven't tested anybody. So, but according to my customers, I think I'm the best.
You're the best. Yeah. I think this is the reason why we had to choose you. So if someone is coming from, let us say, from Entebbe Road, how would you direct that person to this place?
Let him come to Mutasa Cafe. There's Standard Chartered Bank. You take the road going to Radio 1. Radio 1? Yeah. Before Top Pub, there's a parking, which is spot parking. You will see. By the way, they have enough parking at this place. If you have a car, you can come. And they even have where to sit behind us. We'll show you later when you are eating. And also, if someone is coming from, let us say, Ginger Road, because we want to give directions to people who come from different places. So someone coming from Ginger Road, how would you direct him to this place? You come direct to Radio 1. Radio 1. Same road. Yeah. You ask for Gaddafi. They will direct you away. Yeah, and also other simple buildings, other buildings that can show you to these places. We have Mapera building, that blue building you've seen right now. But also, I feel like I should get something to eat as we go deep in the village, into the video. Mr. Gaddafi, how long have you been at this place or in this business? I've been in business for around 18 years. 18 years? Yeah. Wow. Wow, that means you're the right person for this business. 18 years. Are there any challenges you face? Yeah. Don't talk about government issues. Let us talk about the business side. We have a problem of festive seasons. Festive seasons? Yeah, the first when they come, the meat go higher. The customers stay where they are. They don't increase the price. The meat was already increased. So if you change the price, the customers will go away. So that is one of the challenges. The ghost meat is expensive. People want cheap things. So we try our level best to give them, but nothing much. Should we talk about the benefits I've got from this? Because I've been in this business for 18 years. That means
there is something special about the business.
Yeah. The business. Hey, the business is okay. It can feed you. It can. You can get whatever you want through this business. Yeah.
So how much is a piece of chicken?
7,000.
7,000.
And the kilo of goat's meat is 30 roasted.
Hey, and the kilo of goat's meat is 30,000 Ugandan shillings.
Yeah, roasted.
Okay. So I'm going to share all the information on the screen. We are going to convert our shillings into dollars. So if you're watching this video and you want to get the actual amount, you can get that number always posted on the screen, convert it to your currency. You'll get the actual amount. So we are going to go to the end of this video soon. Encourage people to come here. Do you work 24/7? Do you work from Monday to Sunday?
I work from Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
And Saturday.
What do you do during weekends?
No, I have to take care of my kids.
Hey.
Take them out. So you shouldn't work for like
a slave.
You need to rest by the way.
Wow, this is so interesting. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. I'm always grateful to get those comments from you, the feedback from you. The engagement is really getting so big. But I always get time and reply to everyone. So recommend what you want to see next on this video. Today we decided to do something in the middle of Kampala, something small for you to watch, something you haven't seen. Because when it comes to Nyama Choma, what crosses your mind is Kenya, Tanzania, but mostly Kenya.
But here we have the quality.
Yeah, but here, just look at what we have. They have quality. We are going to taste and see. Well, I'll give my opinion at the end of this video. So don't go anywhere. Invite everyone to be part of this channel. People watching this video would want to know what the accompaniments you put along the Nyama Choma, the Nkoko Choma, the Mbozi Choma. So what are those?
We have matoke, roasted bananas. Kachumbari, not in the smaller, but the vinyanya type.
The big slices.
Yeah.
So do you charge matoke differently?
Yeah, I charge.
Matoke differently?
Yeah.
I thought they are already on the fixed price.
That one's different.
Oh, okay. Mr. Gaddafi, how is Bangladesh, by the way?
Bangladesh is doing good nowadays.
Good.
Yeah.
This man is from Bangladesh, by the way. So, Mr. Gaddafi, someone out there watching this video would also want to set up something like this or something different. Which advice would you give that person? Someone has something small to set up something. Which message would you want to send to those people?
First of all, you have to be strong.
You have to be strong.
Yeah, to be focused. So if you are not focused, you can't start something. You focus and start.
And be ready for the losses and profits.
Yeah.
Mostly losses when you're starting the business. Yeah. Losses come in a lot.
Yeah. You have to be strong. That's the best way.
So the important
you focus, be strong. Do not try to be inferior.
So if you're facing out of losses at the beginning, just be strong and keep going forward until you win.
Because those big companies like KFC, they start in 1891.
1890s.
Up to now, they are still operating. They have such challenges. So they are strong, they focus. So if you don't focus, you cannot start.
You want to start up a business, 2 words for you. Focus and be strong. You will win. But thank you so much for being part of it in the African Way. I think you have had enough, so we are going to order. We're going to order for something, and then we go to the end of this video. Mr. Gaddafi, people watching this video would want to know, because these pieces have different sizes. People would want to get the right prices for them. So how much is that?
This one, 1 kilo 30.
1 kilo is 30,000 Ugandan shillings.
Yeah. 1.5, 45.
1.5 is 45,000 Ugandan shillings.
700 grams.
700 grams. How much?
20,000.
20,000.
Half. 15,000
Ugandan shillings.
This is quarter.
So quarter is 8,000. I'm going to share the prices on the screen as you're watching right now. So as I told you, just get that dollar currency I'm going to put on the screen, convert it to your currency, you get the actual amount. Because if I cannot convert all the currencies we have so that you can understand. Just get one which is standard, and then we convert that. I think this is the end of our talking. Let's go to the last part. So, let us eat. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. We need more members. We have a GoFundMe. You're going to find that in the description box or the first comment which is pinned. You can support the channel. You can send us super chats. You can get. You can reach me directly to my WhatsApp number, which is going to be this, which is being displayed right now. Also, you can send support on that number via SendWave and other money apps. Let us eat and end this video.
My brothers, my sisters, remember your heritage. The African continent, so full of life, so full of love. My mama,
Very new. Alright, this brings us to the end of this episode. I think it has been a short one and a great one. Everything has been shared from the start to the end. We are in the middle of Kampala city, the capital city of Uganda. This is what they call the Pearl of Africa. I know where you come from, things change. Some you have your slogan about your countries, but we are Pearl of Africa. So let us just dive into this and then we close this. I don't know if you have ever seen cucumber along the Nyama Choma, but this is the first time I've seen this. But I think it flavors up the setup, the meat. So to be frank with you, I think Kenyan Nyama Choma is still the best I've ever tasted. I'm being open. I love my country, but Kenya, you are the best. You are the best. Okay, I don't know what happened today, but I always have a lot to talk about. Today, I'm out of words. I don't know why, but I think let us just eat and then we end the video. Some of you always complain that I talk a lot. Today, I'm speechless. I have few words. And some Ugandans are going to say I just love Kenya, but I love my country. But we have to be frank on most of the things. We have to be open. We have to be true to what we're eating. Kenya is always the best. I've eaten Nyama Choma from different parts of Uganda, Kenya, but maybe I've been going to other countries, but if I can rate for now, I'll put Kenya first. But as you watch, you can also tell us what you think. What do you think about Nyama Choma? When you hear Nyama Choma, what comes into your head? You can tell us in the comment section. And also, when you come to this place, you know the right person you can meet. You can make your orders earlier. You come here, just pick your stuff. Because they do deliveries, they do packaging. You can even send a border guy to come here and then pick the stuff. I love it. The meat isn't that soft, but it has that sweetness in it, the meaty part of it. Woo. But thank you so much for watching. You can come and be part of Eating the African Way. Last time I mentioned most of the countries, and I left out other countries. And I told you in the next video I'll start with those countries. England. I have a big family in England. They always support my videos. They share my videos to their family members. Thank you so much. And the other countries, today I'm mentioning only one country, England. But also with other countries, you are always in my heart. Don't worry about that. So you can get his number. He's also on WhatsApp. You can send him a message. You can call him. Will be sorted. Everything will be sorted for you. Just make your order. Come here, pick it, or send a border guy, or send anyone you trust to pick your stuff. Today I have nothing much to talk about. I just want to end this video. Then we go to something else. I think I should have started with the chicken. Today I'm tasting chili. Wow. I wanted to get some of the customers to share their experience, but I think today people are camera shy. Or maybe these people are so busy. They want to come here, pick their stuff, and then go away. Most of them want to be seen on news, on television. They think I'm a news reporter. Everywhere I go, they see me as a news reporter. I don't know, but people have to change their mentality about YouTubers. You have noticed this to them out of words. So I think let me end this video from here. Catch up later next video.